Welcome to Whispers. The recent brouhaha about unknown gunmen. Are they really unknown? Are we saying we don't know them? Let's find out. Come along with me. Unknown gunmen. We know them. We keep failing them, our youths. Only 1 in 4.5 Nigerians applying to university will get us fit. The building of a society of unknown gunmen and women in Nigeria. Unknown gunmen. We know who they are. They were born 2 to 3 decades ago in horrible maternity homes. Some of them lost their mothers because of poor medical care. They just learned that someone stole the money budgeted for the building of good hospitals. I'll take that again. They just learned that someone stole the money budgeted for the building of good hospitals. Unknown gunmen. We visited some of them in primary and secondary schools. They were learning under the tree. Some of them used blocks as desks. Some were lucky to learn in uncompleted and dilapidated buildings. I think that they did not learn right because someone stole the money budgeted for good schools. Unknown gunmen. We saw them recently in the university. They were living in horrible hostels. The ones I meant were 12 in a room. They had no good toilet, and I ran into girls showering outside. It was that day that the strike began. They could not graduate because someone stole the money budgeted for good quality university education. Unknown gunmen. We know that they are broke. They've been jobless for some time now. Many of them are graduates that can't find jobs after years at the university. They go tired begging for money and being called lazy youths. They just became the devil's workshop because someone stole the money that should have been used to create jobs for them and keep them busy. Unknown gunmen. We saw them on social media recently. They have been complaining on Twitter and Facebook about police brutality. Some of them said that they were beaten by SARS just because of their hairstyles. Others said the SARS locked them up for carrying laptops. They seemed really angry because they were shot at for protesting police brutality recently. They feel neglected, exploited, and taken for granted by their leaders. Unknown gunmen. We know them. They are the angry youths rendered jobless, poor, hungry by corrupt politicians. They said that they have complained enough and have decided to pull the trigger. Unknown gunmen. Now we know them. The terror unleashed on all of us by a failed state. Unknown gunmen. It's every one of us, whether we like it or not. We have been unknown gunmen in different situations and circumstances in this very hard to live and survive country called Nigeria. I'll just leave this here until I come your way again. Bye.